Okay guys, I'm opening my Pokemon pack. I think this is day 7 if I'm right. I don't know what day, no, I think it's day 6. Day 6 or 7. It's like 6 out of okay, nothing good, no one cares. My head just dropped when I saw nothing good. That hurt. 400 cards. Oh my god, finally. How do I only have 40 different cards? Dude. Good. Good boy. Screw this. Nothing good. Good, because I got nothing good. Same as usual. Oh, I have 5 of those, my bad. I think today, I'm choosing to do a wonder pick. Already, the last one, I already have that card. I already have the card on this one too, right here, that I just tapped. The one I'm on, I already have that. So there's not really any good cards. Like, oh my god, bro. But, yeah, there's nothing good. No cost. I mean, what's even that good here? I know.